Oh man, it's Monday morning down here checking on the boat. It don't look good. Dude, tons of boards missing, lightning popping. Quick trip here just before a big storm was coming through. It's that last tropical storm that was pushing past us, and figured the bite would be pretty good. Just staying close to home, running up here into Catfish Creek. Gonna try drifting the mouth of the creek, working some of those oyster bars, and let's see what we can get. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I thought I was stuck on a little oyster. Instead I got stuck on a little snook. Okay, come on over here. Hold still. There we go. Little snook right here off this oyster bar. I did get stuck on the oyster bar. The outboard. There we go. There's always a few snook hanging up right up in this little cove. And it is just absolutely gorgeous out here. I thought there'd be a little better bite thus far, but man, for an August day, it is just wonderful outside. There's a fish. Oh, nice snook right here. You didn't see me? You didn't see me there? Come on now. You gotta wake up. Hit that thing right at the boat. Nice snook on the mulligan. Just talking about what a beautiful morning it is. And that the bite seemed a little slow thus far, but this old boy turned that around for me real quick. That's what I love about fishing. It's just like when you least expect it. Like that 100+ pound tarpon that smoked me yesterday. When you least expect it, things change. Man, he's got a big gouge on him. You guys got to see this. Got him hooked right in the corner. Looks like everything should stay buttoned. Yes, he's perfectly hooked. Yeah, looks like he narrowly escaped death from a dolphin. Look at that chunk taken out of him right there. He's a fighter. Beautiful, beautiful pre-storm fishing here in Charlotte Harbor. Just bouncing that, or just pulling that mulligan through the water, looking at oyster bars and mangroves, and he came up and smoked it right at the boat. Beautiful. Down he goes. Had to give him a little bump, let him know he was free. Oh, there's a little guy. Little snook, I think. This is a little trout. A little snook. Little bitty snook. All right, all right, all right. There you go. Little guy. Alright, switched up to the Little John. Just gonna drift across, let the wind blow me across the flat here. It's about 3 foot of water. Pretty much just open grass flats, just seeing if I can get a trout. There's fish as soon as it hit the water. As soon as it hit the water. Oh, a little trout. There's another one. A little pocket in there. Well, they're doing good at that catch and release. Little guy. There's a gator trouts anymore. Man, I remember back in the day when I was a kid, my uncle caught one just off Cape Costa, the size of his leg. Huge. Biggest trout I ever seen. Just comes walking down the beach. Like nothing ever happened. Well, not a lot going on with the trout. I only did that for about 15 minutes playing around with them, and I figured let me go do something totally different because honestly the bite was really non-existent. Thought it would be quite a bit better. Just felt real kind of just dead back there, and it's not the greatest area, although it's much better when I wade it. You can really just be a little quieter and sneak up on them because it is a high pressure area. A lot of people fish it since it's so close to the ramps and marinas. So let's run over to Little Gasparilla Island, see if we can rub some of the new bottom paint off the boat and hop out and walk the beach for a minute. Just gonna run along here real quick, see if there's anything extremely fired up. Great spot to get into a pompano bite, but it's a little warm for the pompano. I haven't been hearing of any. Not seeing any bait though. Let's keep moving. There's one. All right. Well, at least we're gonna find out what these things are. I feel like it's a small jack. Yeah, a little jack. Little fun size. Little jack on the Little John. It's a mouthful for you there, buddy. Cool fish. There you go again. That ought to get a fish. Bump, bump. There he is. Yep. Okay, these things are so much fun. That little jack fights just as good as a small snook. This guy might be a tad bigger than the last one. Maybe, maybe not. Same size. When fish get to be the same size, they all stick together. That's how you avoid cannibalism in the fish kingdom. Swim with fish your size. Normally the fish, the snook, hang right in the trough here. But these jack are just outside the first little sandbar, sticking with the bait. Here's something bigger out there further, out of reach. Tarpon roll there. Summertime, man, the food chain is popping off. The bait fish and the jacks and the ladyfish, mackerel, bonita, tarpon, and shark. Ooh, there he goes, there he goes. That tarpon or something, chasing something big right out there. It's like a big ladyfish trying to get away. Woo, there's something big out there. Well, let's go wade along here. Hit a few of these pilings. See if we can pull a snook out this way. All right, any of you guys big enough? Well, there's snapper coming out of these docks, pretty fired up. Big schools of small snapper. All right, guys, that's all I got for you on this quick morning trip. Thought the fish would be a little more fired up with this storm coming. I guess it's not supposed to hit till later tonight, though, so I don't know if maybe that had something to do with it, but I got that one nice snook, had a little fun here playing with these snapper on the beach. But anyway, appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Oh man, it's Monday morning down here checking on the boat. It don't look good. Wow. I made adjustments to the line there to make sure oh man, watch for the storm surge. Hope I left enough line, and I hope my batteries haven't run dead. Holy cow. Look at this. Dude, tons of boards missing, lightning popping. Oh, there she is, riding high. Woo! Heck yeah. Gotta fire up, charge these batteries a little bit. Oh man. Woo! Unfortunately, my boat doesn't self-drain, doesn't self-bail. Everything that goes in this boat has to be pumped out. So as long as the pump works and the batteries stay up, then you're good. If something fails, then down she goes. Pretty good storm surge. There's the boat ramp. It's flooded all the way through the parking lot nearly. And other than the wind and the rain and the lightning, it'd be a beautiful day. But anyway, just like I said, giving the batteries a little extra charge. There's no electricity here, so. All right, let's get out of here. It's getting a little dicey there. Got a little nervous, man. That lightning was popping, and I'm, you know, way over ankle deep here, but that band is past. So we got boards missing here, left and right. Another one. Breezy out there. Not going to be any fish until the end of the week. The whole dock is shaking, man. Dang, it's pretty bad.